Good morning to all. I am Benisha. I am a teacher of Bethlehem Metric Higher Secondary School, Karangal. I am very glad to see you again via these online classes. I hope you are all fine and safe in your home. Be safe always. I am very grateful for your support and cooperation for this institution. Thank you for that. You keep support and encourage your kids through these online classes. I'm going to take the class Maths. Okay, dear students, before I am going to start the class, shall we say that 5 sentences to ourselves? I am awesome. I am unique and special. I read, write and learn fast. I have an excellent memory. I am winner. Okay, do you like maths subject? I hope you are all like maths subject. You see, you know maths is everywhere. You see your home, how many members in your family, how many doors in your family, in your home, how many doors in your home, how many windows, your wake-uping time, your sleeping time, date, your mobile number, your parents' mobile number, ATM number, bank number, money, everything is maths. Okay, let's see maths. Maths is nothing but it's the study of numbers, shapes and patterns. What are they? It's the numbers, study of STUDYOF of numbers, NUMBERS, shapes, SHAPES and patterns, ERNS, patterns. Listen, maths is nothing but it's the study of numbers, shapes and patterns. First we are learn numbers. NUMBERS. Do you know numbers? What are the numbers we are using in maths? It's 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 numbers are using maths. Okay, are you clear about that? Maths is the study of numbers, shapes and patterns. Next we are going to learn shapes. Okay, what? Next we are going to learn shapes. Say the spelling shapes, SHAPES, shapes. Say one more time, SHAPES, shapes. What are the shapes you know? It's triangle, circle, rectangle. Okay, these shapes have two sets. How many sets? Two sets. What are they? Two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. This shape has two sets. What are they? Two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. First, two-dimensional shapes. TWO2, DIMENTIONAL, two-dimensional shapes. SHAPES. Okay, circle. We are going to draw the circle. Okay, how to draw circle? Already you know one curved line. After you join these both the lines, now you have circle. Say the spelling circle, CIRCLE, circle. Say the spelling circle, CIRCLE, circle. Next, square. The square has four sides. These all the sides and all the sides are same size. Okay, this is square. How to draw? One vertical line, again next the same length, one sleeping line, next again one vertical line, Next one, sleeping line. This is square. Say the spelling square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Say the spelling S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Next, rectangle. This rectangle, see, one vertical line, one sleeping line, again one vertical line. See, these lines, these sides, opposite sides are same. Okay, the two opposite sides are same to this rectangle. Okay, this side's opposite is that side. Both sides are same. This side's opposite side is this side. Both are same. So the spelling rectangle, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Say rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Next, again two shapes. Next, triangle. How to draw triangle? One slanting line. Again that side also one slanting line. Next, you join these both the slanting lines with sleeping line. Okay. This triangle. Say the spelling triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Say the spelling triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Next, what is this? Oval. Do you see the egg? Egg shape is oval. Okay, say oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Say the spelling. O-V-A-L. Oval. Yes. Are you clear about that? Now we learned two-dimensional shapes. Now we learned shapes are two categories. One is two-dimensional shape, another one is three-dimensional shape. Now we learned two-dimensional shapes. What are they? Some examples. Okay, this is circle, square, rectangle, triangle and oval. Okay, circle, square, rectangle, triangle and oval. Okay, are you clear about that? These five shapes, how to draw, you know? Yes, I hope you understood. Next, we are going to learn three-dimensional shapes. Next, we are going to learn three-dimensional shapes. Okay, three. T-H-R-E-E. Three. D-I-M-E-N. T-I-O-N-A-L. Dimensional shape. S-H-A-P-E. Okay, what is the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional shape? Two-dimensional shape is just the outline of the picture. Okay, now three-dimensional shape is it has these three-dimensional shapes occupies some place. These three-dimensional shape occupies some space. Okay, see, we already know how to draw circle. Again we are going to draw circle that. Okay, you draw one curve line like this. Sphere. Say the spelling. This is sphere because this occupies the space. This occupies the space. We learned that circle is just the outline, but this occupies the space. Okay, this is sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Some real example of the sphere is, you know, ball. That balls. Next, earth. All are some examples of sphere. Okay. Next, cube. How to draw cube? Already we know how to draw square, like that you draw. Next this center of the square over, again you draw. Just a minute. Say one more time, sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Next, square. We know already how to draw square. You write one more square here. The center of the square, you draw one more square. Okay, next you draw all the corners. You draw like this. Okay, this is cube. Say some examples of cube. This cube also occupies space. Okay, this is the three-dimensional shape, so this occupies space. Do you know colorful cubes? That is the one example. Next, boxes, cardboard boxes are some examples of cube. Next, cuboid. How to draw cuboid? First you draw one rectangle. Rectangles opposite sides are same. Again this center you draw one more rectangle over this first rectangle. After you join all the corners, all the four corners. Okay, this is cuboid. Say the spelling, cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Say the spelling, cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Next, cone. How to draw cone? Already we know how to draw triangle. Like that, one slanting line. That's opposite side also one slanting line. Next, like this, one curved line. Again this side also one curved line. Say some example of cuboid. You know, fish tank or some bus. You know, bus also some example of cuboid. Next, cone. Say some example of cone. Your favorite ice cream, cone ice cream. Yes, that's some example of cone. Next, birthday cat. Yes, that also some example of cone. Okay, say the spelling cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Say the spelling, C-O-N-E, cone. Say the spelling, C-O-N-E. Next, cylinder. How to draw cylinder? First to draw one vertical line. Again this opposite side draw one vertical line. Next, join these two vertical lines with one curved line. After that, like this, two curved lines. This cylinder. Say the spelling, cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Say the spelling, cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Now we learned three-dimensional shapes examples. Okay, shall I repeat one more time? Sphere. Say the spelling, sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Next, cube. Say the spelling, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Say it one more time. C-U-B-E, cube. Next, cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Next, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Next, cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Okay, are you understand this? I hope. Yes. Next, do the activity. Now you clearly understand the shapes. Okay. Activity. First, find the objects, shapes. Find the objects, shapes. You see, I have a bag full of some things. Okay, I have my bag full of some objects. Okay, shall you find out what the shape of this object? Okay. Okay, first one. What is this? We already learned. This is cube. No. Yes. What is this? Cube. Say the spelling cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. This is the two-dimensional object or three-dimensional object. This is, yes, three-dimensional object. Okay. Next. What is this? Yes, this is circle. Yes, say the spelling circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Yes, circle. Yes. Okay. Circle. Next. What is this? What is the shape of this? Yes, it's sphere. It's sphere. Say the spelling sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Okay. This is also three-dimensional object. Yes. See? Yes. What is this? What is the shape of this? Yes. Cone. What is the shape of this? It's occupies some space, you know. Yes. That is three-dimensional object. Yes. Cone. Say the spelling cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. Next. Box. What is this? This is cuboid. This is cuboid. Say, identify the object shape. This is cuboid. Say the spelling cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. See the difference for both the cube and cuboid. See, these cubes, all the shapes are same size, but these cuboids opposite sides only same size. Okay, see the difference, don't collapse that. Okay. Next. Yes, I have one object. What is this? This like triangle, you know. Yes, it's a two-dimensional object. Okay, this is triangle. Okay, what is the shape of this gum bottle? See, what is the shape? Already we know cylinder. Yes, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. Okay, what is the shape? Cylinder. Okay, are you understand this? Yes. Next, ATM card. What is the shape of this? It's, see, opposite sides are same. It's rectangle. Yes, say the spelling rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Okay, let me do another one. Activity. Okay, match the following. Match the FOLLOWING. I am going to draw some pictures. You just matched. First I am going to draw circle. Next square. Squares, all the shapes, all the sides are same. Next rectangle. Triangle. Next oval. Okay, what is the shape is this? Circle. Okay, what is the shape is this? Circle. Now this square. This is rectangle. This triangle. The last one is oval. Now I am going to draw some pictures. Your favorite ice cream. It's a ball. It's just like a egg. It's a carom board. How to draw? Yes. You see all the pictures. First which shape is this? Circle. Next square. Next rectangle. Next triangle. Next oval. See, circle is matching with what picture? Is this rectangle? This is not triangle. Yes, circle is matching the sphere. Okay, ball. Okay, next square. Square matching with what picture? See, all the one. What picture? Yes, last one is carom board. You see? Yes, square. You match that picture. Next rectangle. Rectangle, you have any? Yes, this hut, it's a type of one house, you know. Yes, this is matching with this skirt. Next triangle. Triangle matching with? Yes, your favorite cone. Next oval. Oval is? Yes, matching with? What is the shape? What is the shape is this? Yes, egg. You match that. Okay? Have you all clear about that? Shapes, all the circle, square, rectangle, triangle and oval. We are matching, that's related pictures. Okay? Yes. Now we are going to do another one activity. Next activity is count and write the number of NUMBER, number of shapes, SHAPES, shapes. Count and write the number of shapes. Before, I have one picture. Okay, I have one picture. Okay, what is the picture is this? What picture is this? It's just like a yes, train, correct. Okay, what are the shapes are in this picture? You just find out what are the shapes are here. Is triangle is here? Okay, triangle. Next, any square? You see, here any square is here? Yes, square is here. Next, rectangle? See any rectangle? Yes, correct, rectangle. Next, any other shapes? Yes, circle. Circle. Now let's check how many triangles are in this picture, how many squares are in this picture, how many rectangles are in this picture, how many circles are in this picture. Okay, what is the shape of this? See, it's triangle. No, yes, first one triangle. Next, see, again one triangle. 2. Next, 3, 4 and 5. Is any other triangle is here in this picture? 5 only. Yes, correct. Now 5 you have to write. Okay. Next we are find square. Okay. Is any square is here? See, this is the square. No, it's the rectangle because these opposite sides are same. Okay. See, this is the square or not? Yes, this is the square because all the sides are same. Okay, one square. Next, see this is also square. 2. Next, see, this is the square. No, it's not a square because opposite sides only same. Next, this is the square. Yes. Next, this is the square. Yes, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many squares is here? Yes, 4. Okay. Next rectangle. You see, this is rectangle. Yes, 1. Next, this is rectangle. Yes, 2. Next, yes, 3. This is 4. Any other rectangle is here? No. Okay. Again 4. Next, circle. How many circles are here? You find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any other circles? You just check it. Any other circles? You see one small circle is here. Yes. Total number of circles is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Here you write 7. Okay. Have you all clear about this? Yes. I am going to take I give some homework questions, okay? Just one recap for you. What we are learned today in maths subject. What is maths? It's the study of numbers, shapes and patterns. First we learned numbers and shapes. How many numbers in maths? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 digits are using in maths. Next, we learned shapes. Okay. What are the these shapes have two sets. What are they? 2-dimensional shapes and 3-dimensional shapes. Okay. First, we learned some 2-dimensional shapes: circle, square, rectangle, triangle and oval. Okay. Next we learned some three-dimensional shapes. What are they? Just say sphere, square, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. Okay. We learned that objects also. Yes. Next I give a homework. Okay. More members are did your previous section homework. I am so happy about that. I hope you are all do. Yes. Look at the objects objects in your home. HOME home, and write WRITE, write their names, their shapes. SHAPES. I give some objects name. Okay, I give some objects name. You check in your home the what shape is that. Okay. First one is door. You check your door. You check your home door. What shape is? Okay. Next, window. You check and write the shape here. Okay. 3. Orange. Say the spelling orange. 4. Fridge. 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 You check your fridge. What shape is that? 5th one. TV. Your TV, which shape? 6. Wall clock. WALL. Wall. CLOCK. Clock. 7th one. Gas cylinder. GASCYLINDER. You find out and write what shape is that these objects. Okay. I hope this section is very useful to you. Yes. We will meet the next section. Until take care. Thank you.